If you're feeling a little behind on holiday prep like I am this year, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm gonna share some of my favorite Christmas hacks that are not only gonna save you some time, but make your space feel cozy and inviting, make your gifts feel thoughtful, and make your hosting stress-free. Let's start with this showstopper for any archway into a room in your home. I thought this archway going into my dining room was perfect for this hack. You're gonna take a tension rod, and my preference is to get a gold one like I have here, just in case it peeks through. And you're going to mount it into your space about at chest height, so it's easy to do this hack. Then you're gonna take a couple garlands. I have one from Amazon and one from my own shop, and wrap them tightly around the garland. The more garlands, the better. However, you don't wanna make this too heavy because you don't want it to fall down. I'll link to the Amazon garland I'm using down in that description box below, as well as everything that I'm using in today's hacks video. After the garlands, take some battery operated string lights and wrap those through the garland to give it a nice twinkle. I like remote ones so that you can easily turn them on and off. And then finally embellish with your favorite baubles or ornaments. I like to use zip ties for this step, and then I can easily attach them to either the garland or to the tension rod. I'm using these really cute gingerbread cookie ornaments I found at Walmart last year, but use your own creativity to make this match your decor. Once everything looks good, you can just simply loosen the tension rod and push it up to the top of your archway, and look how beautiful this looks. It's so quick and so easy, and I love how it just adds some sparkle and some classic greenery as you enter my dining room space. You can also add a touch of holiday magic to your wall sconces. This one is super easy too. Take 2 Norfolk pine stems. These ones are from Amazon, and simply bend the stems here at the end. And then you're gonna place one stem on one side of the sconce, the other on the other side, and then just kind of fluff up those stems to make them look more realistic, more full. And then take some velvet ribbon and tie a bow around your sconce just like this. Now this is simple, this is classic, and it's gonna immediately elevate any wall sconce in your home. I love how it looks here in my breakfast nook. Now here's a quick decor update to make your home look holiday ready. Simply swap out any framed art you have in your home. That's one of my favorite easy hacks for really any seasonal decorating. I found these prints on Amazon and I love their vintage look. I just placed them in the frames I already had here in my coffee station and put them on my open shelves. I love how they add an instant holiday look to my space. It hardly cost me any money, and it only took me about 5 minutes. You can also make your home feel magical in a snap by adding LED lights on the inside of your window frames. I'm using battery operated wire string lights here again, and then I'm taking these command hooks and placing one in each corner of the inside of my windows. For the bottom ones, I am going to flip those so the hook is pointing the other way. Then I'm taking my light string, I'm wrapping it around the inside of my window and using the hooks as a guide. And then I can turn these on at night, and not only do they look so pretty from the inside so my dining guests can enjoy, but they also look fantastic from the outside as well. And I find this so much easier than adding lights to the outside of my home. Now let me show you how to make the perfect bow using something you probably already have at home, your cabinet handles. And these work with long handles or even knobs like I have here on my coffee station. Cut some velvet or some satin ribbon into about an 18-inch piece, and then wrap it around 2 knobs beside each other, or 2 handles vertical, just like this. Then you're gonna pull the ends around the back, pull them up and over the front of the bow, and tie them in a knot. Then pull that bow off of your handles, and look at how cute and perfect this bow is with all of the velvet facing out. You can use it for garlands, you can use it for gifts, you can use it on candlesticks, really anywhere in your home you wanna add that festive touch. If you're looking for a really easy and festive way to make your gift stand out this season, you can use ribbon to make a really cute tree shape on top of your gift. Take a wrapped gift, and here's a little hack. This is the best tape to use on gifts because it's virtually invisible. I will link this in the description box below. Then you're going to take some double-sided tape and add a vertical strip on the top of your gift, from pretty much the top of the gift to the bottom. Then take some velvet ribbon or some satin ribbon and keep it on the roll. Then you're gonna start to create a zigzag pattern from the top to the bottom of that tape, making that zigzag wider as you go down. You're gonna make a tree shape. Optional, you can take some more double-sided tape and add a little ornament at the top of the tree to look like a tree topper. I'm just using this Walmart snowflake ornament and I think it looks so cute. If you are looking for a last-minute hostess gift or a neighbor gift or even a gift for a teacher, this one is so easy. Take a festive smelling soap. You can do a hand soap, a dish soap, even a festive smelling cleaning spray. Then take a matching tea towel. I love this one because it matches the pine theme for my hand soap. And then fold the tea towel into a nice compact shape so it fits on the side of your soap. Then take some velvet ribbon and tie that tea towel around the soap. You can add a little sprig of faux greenery, a cute ornament like this bell I have, and then you can also print out some free printable gift tags. I have these on my blog and I will make sure to link these below for you as well. Cut them out and then attach them to the ribbon. This is such an easy and cute gift idea that's also practical, and I think so many people would enjoy receiving this. I know I would. Here's another fun last-minute gift idea. You can take a wine bottle or a sparkling juice bottle, grab a pair of socks from Dollar Tree, make sure they're nice and festive, take one sock and pull it up over the bottle just like this. Then take the other sock, wrap it around the neck of the bottle into a bow. You can add some more ribbon if you'd like, a free printable gift tag, and this is a great hostess gift idea and it looks so cozy. Now for a handmade gift, you can try these really beautiful DIY fire starters. These are simple to make. You can take about a cup of wax pellets and melt them in a DIY double boiler on your stove. I'm just using an old measuring cup and a pot of water. Once that's melted, you're going to pour some wax into the bottom of some muffin liners in a muffin tin. Now you only need about 1/2 inch to maybe 1 inch of wax in each of the liners. Then you're gonna top those with some dried orange slices, some clippings from your yard. You can use cinnamon sticks. One thing that I wish I would have added to these that you should add is some twigs. They're gonna help them work so much better. And then let these dry. Once they're all dry, they actually look so beautiful. If you wanna give these as a gift, you can place them in a jar, label the jar, and you can add a pretty velvet bow on top and a gift tag if you'd like. To use these, simply place one underneath your kindling for your fire and light that, and that's gonna help your fire start. Such a pretty and fun DIY and a really unique handmade gift. Now, if you are hosting this season, here's a really easy holiday centerpiece hack. Simply add a few Norfolk pine stems or your favorite faux greenery stems to a vase. I always love the rule of 3, either 3 large stems or 6 smaller stems in the vase. Bend them and manipulate them to make them look more real. I also added these faux lit branches from Amazon to the vase to add some sparkle to this arrangement. And then take some velvet ribbon and tie a bow around. This is just so simple and easy, and you can use the centerpiece well into the new year too. Love this on my island, but it would also look great on a sideboard in a dining room as well. If you want to impress your guests with hot chocolate, this would be so fun for Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. You can make these really easy instant hot chocolate toppers. Take some whipped cream and then place it in swirls about 3 to 4 inches in diameter on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle your favorite items on top. So I'm using a mixture of crushed candy cane, chocolate, and sprinkles, and then pop them in the freezer for about an hour. Now you have an instant hot chocolate topper that looks super cute, and you can simply take a spatula and add it to the top of anyone's drink. This is also handy if you have young kids and you want to cool their hot chocolate down just a little bit. These toppers are so perfect for that. If you want to impress your guests with a fuller looking garland on your mantle this holiday season, my trick is using these command cord bundlers. I've talked about these before. They're so fantastic. You can simply attach the back of them to your mantle just like this, and then wrap the strap around your garland so that it hangs more in the front of your mantle. This is gonna give your mantle garland just that nice full look. I have a whole video on this. I will link that down in the description box below. Now here are some extra DIY details that are so easy to do that will make your home look so festive. I love using hair bow clips as decor. These ones were from my local store, Winners, and I simply use them in garlands and centerpieces. You can just unclip them and even put them on candlesticks like this. Just choose ones that match your decor, and you don't even have to worry about tying the perfect bow. For a cute kitchen detail that only takes a minute to do, take 2 tea towels in festive colors, Fold one into thirds just like this, and then fold it in half so that there's a seam on the center back. Then take your second tea towel and fold it into a narrow tube just like this. Now take the larger folded towel and place it on top of the tube, making one side a little bit longer. Fold the bottom tube over just like this, and you can kind of pinch that middle part a little bit to make it look like a bow. Then you're gonna take that whole thing and pull that through the handle on your stove. Look how cute this is to display your tea towel, this little tea towel bow. I love it. You could also use this on a horizontal handle or on a rail like I have in my coffee station. Now for even more quick and easy and budget-friendly holiday hacks, like some really fun napkin folds and more last-minute gift ideas, I'm gonna leave this video for you to watch next right here.